How to get more inventory slots in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open settings on your phone, then click on search button at the top right corner of your screen and search developer options. Click on developer options. Make sure your developer is turned on. After you turn this on, scroll down and search for small width. Click on it. Then make sure it's 500 and press on OK. After you have done that, when you open your Roblox Mobile, you'll find more inventory slots. Make sure it's not over 500. And this is how to get more inventory slots in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.